the shaver. And this is the scissors.
Can you help me?
I can help you. Let's open it.
Let's open it and go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa, look at all these Play-Dohs. Whoa. You got to open it here so people can see right on. I'll help you with this. Not a problem. Hey, wait a minute. How do you open this? Oh, right here.
Oh, those two men. I got to be the girl because I like it.
All right, I be the girl and you be the man.
But I want to be the girl. But
All right, here we go. Put it on the hair. So these are all, let's just wait a second. Let's just make sure we show the people all the things that you will get with the shaver. Oh, the shaver is cool as well. Here's the shaver.
okay, open
You
it.
better take over, just in case.
You sure?
Here, let me open it. Oh, we have to get the screwdriver.
I'm sure
Get the screwdriver.
Dad, that was super fun, but
Yeah, where is it?
is making choco chili, so we're gonna go play.
Oh, well, we gotta get the screwdriver. Meanwhile, while Cash is getting the screwdriver, I'll show that this is the brush. And these are the Play-Dohs. You can't find the screwdriver? Okay.
Oh dear.